Sup, Traps Trying here from Nitro Circus, SRT USA, and you're watching WRX Snowboarder.
Hey everyone, how's it going today? Haven't been up to too much the past couple of weeks, just mainly been working, setting money aside, as well as just taking it easy. Something I recently did here was get these wheels powder coated black on the Maserati, the new center cap. Overall, I think it makes the car look really nice having the black versus the gray I had on before. With the Subaru, there hasn't been much going on, but today I have another part for you. What this is going to be is the console trim and carbon fiber look. Now you can see it's going to cover everything including the bezel. You can see there you have the WRX logo. And I test fitted this piece and was very surprised. Now some of the carbon fiber stuff I've gotten before, you have to kind of file down an edge or Dremel a little piece on it to get it fit correctly. But with this, it fits right into place. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in the car and show you how easy it is. Now, in opening the package, I saved you the time and just the boredom of going through it, but whenever everything came out, you have this cleaner, and it looks like a primer pad. Now, I'm not going to be using it quite yet, because I don't think you need to, just due to a good fitment, but you have these little 3M strips where you can wipe everything down, get it all primered, peel off that tape, and stick it on. But the way that it fits, it's pretty snug, where I'm just going to show you popping it on. Alright, now hoping this is a good angle, but what you do is you fit these two sides up into the top, press pretty snug on there. And then for the bottom, all you do is just kind of push down and forward to get it to match up with this piece here. You can push all around, and there we go. Super snug, super easy. I don't think it's coming up unless you use some force and pulling. But besides that, I now have everything completed. The cup console area here, this trim, up here with the vents, as well as the hood cover. So, really like this whole look overall. Think it makes a big difference here in the WRX. As always, happy driving and enjoy.